Hi there. Today in this session we will discuss what are the features of Java we can understand that will help us to use Java as a programming language for our upcoming projects. The objective of Java programming language creation was to make it portable, simple, and secure programming language. But apart from this, there are also some excellent features which plays an important role in the popularity of this language, such as object-oriented, secure, platform-independent, interpreted, high-performance, portable, multi-threaded, and architecture-neutral. The moment we say object-oriented, as we know, Java is an object-oriented language because without writing even a class, you cannot write a main method that's an entry point, and you can write the basic fundamental skeleton. Another is secured. As I discussed with you, it is known for the security implementation also. With Java, we can develop various free systems. Java is secure because there is no explicit pointers. Java programs runs inside of virtual machines and books. Java is platform independent. When we say platform independent, you know the rule, write once and run anywhere. Interpreted. The moment we say interpreted, the Java is being interpreted line by line. Whatever iterations or the errors or bugs you get, you can solve it in hand. Java is also known for the high-performance portable programming language and also gives a support to the multi-threaded environment. A thread is like a separate program executing concurrently, but we can write Java programs that deals with many tasks at once by defining multiple threads. Last, that is architectural neutral. As I said, it supports the dynamic loading of classes. It means classes are loaded on demand. It also supports the native languages, which are T functions to be implemented. As in set people who are migrating their aspects of the projects from the lower version to the higher aspects of the programming language, Java is the right language for those. Question is where Java needs to be used or you can use it in your real time. As I told, Java helps in developing the web applications, Android apps, like a mobile application helps in developing the client-server architecture that's known as a server apps from the financial service industry, also helps in developing the embedded systems and the big data technologies. It has a wide range of developing different programs or different applications. You can opt out the right one as per your convenience. See you soon in the next session to tell you more about the practical exposures in Java. Until next time, stay tuned. Thank you.